Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. The question for today is from Lloyd Castillo. He asks, during the course of the payment and there's an emergency, can I still borrow the funds or what are my options? There are several ways to protect your property. So before you invest, make sure you have an emergency fund equivalent to 3 to 6 months of your income. This should give you enough time to adjust and get back to your normal financial situation. But if you can't turn it around in the near future, there are several actions that you can take, whether the property is in the pre-selling stage or under mortgage. During the pre-selling period, first, discuss with the developer if they can give you any special concessions given your current situation. Second, know your rights and seek professional advice. Maceda Law, linked down below, protects buyers of residential real estate on installment payments, wherein it states a grace period to pay the unpaid installments. Note that at the pre-selling stage, you can't get a home loan. While a personal loan is possible, it has an extremely high interest rate. Now, if the property is already under mortgage, discuss with your bank to negotiate terms for the time being, or even refinance your loan for a longer term or a lower interest rate to reduce the monthly loan amortization. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me by the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.